Hey guys and girls, welcome to lesson number 10 of Learn in Urdu through English lesson series. In this lesson, we are learning to write Urdu alphabets and Urdu words with the help of English. In this lesson, we are going to discuss two uh, letters, and they are Z and Ye. So it will be a short lesson because there are very few words with the letter Ye. Let's start our lesson and learn how do we use the letters Z and Ye in the beginning, in the middle and at the end of the word. Letter Z. If you consider Alif Madda as a letter in Urdu alphabet, then letter Z is the 16th letter of Urdu alphabet. It is just like letter re, but with a dot on top of it, and it is pronounced as Z-A-Y, just like its cousins re, dal, zal. It is a non-connector in the beginning of the word. That is when when a word starts with letter Z, then letter Z is never connected to the second letter in the word. Let's see how do we use the letter Z in the beginning of the word. There is a simple word called zar. Z, re, zar. It is pronounced as Z-A-R. Zar means money, richness, or riches. Zar. Then there is a word called zara. Z, re, alif. Zara. Zara is pronounced as Z-E-R-A. Zara. And zara means a little. Zara. Now let's see how do we use letter Z in the middle of the word. Letter Z. There's a word called Masa. Mim, Z, A. Maza is pronounced as M-A-Z-A-H. Maza. Maza means to enjoy. Maza aa raha hai. I am enjoying. Then there is a word with the letter Z in the middle, and it is Saza. Seen, Z, Alif. Saza. It is pronounced as Saza. Saza means to punish. It is Seen, Z, Alif. So you are saying that I'm writing the simpler version of Seen. You can also write it like this: Seen, Z, Alif. You can simply write it like this. So both of these versions are correct. Now let's see how do we use the letter Z in the end of the word. There's a word called Raz. Re, Alif, Z. Raz. 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 Raz means a secret. Then there is a word called Daraz. Dal, Re, Alif, Z. Daraz. Daraz means drawer. Drawer in the kitchen cabinet, and Daraz also means someone who is very tall. So this is how do we use letter Z in the beginning, in the middle, and at the end of the word. Let's discuss about letter Z. Letter Ye. It's Ye. It is pronounced as Ye. And there are very few words with the letter Ye. And I will discuss only two words. This word called Zala or Yala. Ye, Alif, Lam, He, Yala. Yala means hailing. When it's hailing, we call it Yala Bari. Then in Pakistan, there's a city called Zoop. Ye, Wow, Be, Zoop. Zoop is a city in Pakistan, in Balochistan, and it is also started with the letter Ye or Z. And I cannot think of the letters in which Z comes in the middle and at the end of the word. So this was our discussion about letters Z and Ye of Urdu alphabet. If you would like to learn more, then please visit ifactner.com. I will see you in the next lesson. Until then, take care. Bye.